Alright guys, so we're fishing at a canal in Clovis. We're seeing if we can catch some bluegill or perch or anything. Yeah, well, Papa is having fun, but he's breathing hard. So hopefully we catch something. Getting some bites already.
Looks like some bluegill are hitting it, right?
Yeah.
What you using there for bait?
Hot dogs.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah.
Just a small piece, huh?
Yeah.
Have you ever caught them on a hot dog before?
Yeah.
Oh, I see you got a nice short little traveling pole there. That's a good one. Can you see down there to your bait if you're getting any hits?
Yeah, I can see it. Alright. So we're going to cast another time. See if we catch any over here.
Ooh, nice cast, Mike.
Hopefully they'll be waiting right there so we can just come and get it.
Is that a good spot right before the rapids?
Yeah.
I know there's a lot of them holed up under that bridge, huh?
Yeah.
They like that shade under that bridge.
Don't blame them.
Yeah. Feels so great out here today, huh?
Yeah. Alright, so we're trying another cast before we move a little bit down. So here it goes.
I'm pretty rested up. I can walk now. Whenever you're ready, bro.
Alright, so looks like it's by a brick in the water.
Yeah, it does.
So yeah.
Should have brought our power bait today. That always works.
Yeah.
Yeah, worms. Maybe tomorrow when we come again. Got to use up these last days of summer. Got 30 more days of fishing before school starts, huh?
Yeah.
Let's talk about your pole there. What are you using? Use an open face reel, I see.
Yeah. That's kind.
Sure, nice and handy with that small length of the pole, right?
Yeah.
Easy to move around.
It's really sturdy.
Oh. Have you ever caught anything on it yet?
Yeah. At the Monterey
Oh.
in Morbid.
Yeah? How many fish do you think what's the biggest fish you caught at Moore Bay when you was over there a couple of days ago?
1.9 pounds.
Nice. So I heard you caught a lingcod almost.
Yeah. On the deep sea fishing.
You went deep sea fishing and surf fishing?
Yeah.
For a week, huh?
Whole week.
Man, your dad did you a nice vacation right there for summer vacation.
Yeah.
Which was more fun, that one or the Disneyland trip?
Probably that one.
You like that one more than the Disneyland trip?
Yeah.
Woo! I'm gonna have to go down there sometime. Look at that dragonfly, my goodness. That's a big one.
Good buddy.
Getting a bite?
Yeah. Squid? No, it's a squid.
Oh, it's you got a twig fish. He's long but skinny.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna move since we're getting bites right here, so we're gonna move down there. I'm gonna bait up and then
Okay, here we go. Need some better luck.
Alright, so going to the next spot. Hopefully I'll be hanging out near the grass. The blues can perch here.
What's that?
Let's hope that they are by the grass.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Boy, it's sure cool down here. Yes. Oh, there's a major road right here. That's we sit right here down by the water. Look, you could get on the other side, walk right under there.
No. You want to stay up here, Papa?
Yeah.
Here, I'll keep this up here.
I'm gonna find a rock to sit on somewhere. go ahead. Oh, this is a nice little stretch right in here, Mike. You gonna try down there, huh? I like that little bridge area. Nice and shady. Probably have some good luck under there. Oh, I got a little out of breath walking over here. You got a bite? What? You got a bite already? He got your bait? Oh my goodness. Here, let me see if I can throw you one. Sorry about that. That was a bad throw. So they jumped right on it, huh? Try to grab that plastic bag behind you for your bait. I didn't throw it very far. We don't want to leave no litter out here. It was only in the water about 3 seconds, Mike. Look at that log, how high the water got that it got jammed up across the bridge. Do you see it? It just got leveled off right across the top of the bridge there. That water was really moving through here a while back, huh? Okay, I'm gonna hang out for a minute until you catch one. Got one? Did you have one on? Huh? Wow, that only took like 1 second. It's a good thing you brought a lot of bait. I'm just turn around when you catch him, because I'm going to leave the film rolling this time. I got a feeling you're going to catch one right here. They're hitting it? What's it look like, a bluegill or a bass or what? Bluegills, huh? Oh, so you went to the middle this time, huh? Okay. How you doing over there, Mike? Any more bites? Got one? Another beautiful day out here, huh, Mike? All right, this is the last one that we're going to head in. Boy, it feels so cool out here today. Love this weather.